Hi all, my name is Gaurav and in this video we'll talk about the automated browser driver management in Selenium. So what does it mean? So let's look into the problem statement first, then we'll talk about the solution. So in traditional approach, if we need to launch any browser, let's say Chrome browser on your machine, so we need to follow certain steps. Number one, first we need to check the version of browser installed on your machine. So for example, on my machine, browser version is 131. And second step, once we get the browser version, we need to download the corresponding binary. For Chrome browser, it would be ChromeDriver.exe from the internet. Okay, so usually I download the ChromeDriver.exe from this URL. I already have this URL. Let me quickly open that URL. So my operating system is Windows, it's a 64-bit. So I will hit this URL, it will download ChromeDriver.exe into the zip format. I'll unzip it after downloading it. I already have it downloaded on my machine. Third, we need to tell Selenium that where my ChromeDriver.exe is placed on my local machine. So by this statement, I will tell Selenium, okay, this is my path where my ChromeDriver.exe is located, placed. So this is a simple code to launch the Chrome browser. Okay, I'll copy this code. I'll go to Eclipse. I already have this function. Okay, now I need to put a path of ChromeDriver.exe. So I already have ChromeDriver.exe at this path under src test resources. My project name is this testng concept. Inside that I have this ChromeDriver.exe. So what is the ChromeDriver.exe path? So I'll construct the path here quickly. String str path is equal to system dot get property user dot dir. So this user.dir, this statement gives me a current directory path which is testng concept. Now I'll append the ChromeDriver.exe path. So after testng concept, I'll go here and copy this and and I'll put this path here. Okay, set. So now WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver, then driver.get to navigate this website which is google.com. Let's run this and see if it is working. Okay, it launched the browser, it navigated to google.com. So it is working fine. Now problem with this approach is, let's say today my browser version is 131, tomorrow it may be 132, 133. So whenever my browser version changes, I need to download compatible ChromeDriver.exe, unzip it and need to place it at a particular path. Okay, so this is a maintenance we need to do every time our browser gets updated. So how we can remove that? So to remove that, there is a library WebDriverManager. Okay, so by WebDriverManager provides capability to manage all those things in an automated way. Means we don't need to worry about the ChromeDriver.exe or any binary, IE driver.exe, ChromeDriver.exe, GeckoDriver.exe, SafariDriver.exe or Opera driver.exe, anything. We don't need to worry. WebDriverManager will take care of it. And how does it work? So, okay, I have one more function. Let's implement a WebDriverManager. So we have a WebDriverManager. Inside that we have a function Chrome driver. So for every driver we have a function. If we talk about IE We have IE driver function, we have a Firefox driver function, we have a Opera driver, we have a Safari driver. Okay, now currently we are talking about Chrome, so I'll say Chrome and setup. That's it. Now I'll simpler approach. I'll just create a Chrome driver object and I'll navigate to, let's say, facebook.com. So what this statement will do, it will check Chrome driver version, Chrome browser version on your local machine. Then it will go to internet and it will download the corresponding Chrome driver exe, and that is how it will take care. Every time it will do the same. So you don't need to worry about if your browser gets updated. Okay. Now let me quickly kill. Do I have Chrome driver.exe? Okay, here this is. I'll kill this. Okay, now I'll delete this. Okay, now I don't have Chrome driver exe placed anywhere on my machine. Okay, now I'll just delete this. Let's see, without Chrome driver exe, will it work or not? Run it. It launched the browser and it navigated to facebook.com. So wow, it is working. Okay, so for WebDriverManager class, this is a package name. Okay, and we need to add the Maven dependency of WebDriverManager in pom.xml. This is the Maven dependency of it. Okay, yeah, so that is all. Thank you.